AI influencers are the new game changers in the content creation world. What if I told you that AI influencers are raking in tens of thousands of dollars every single month? This isn't the future, this is now, and you can be a part of it. Just take a look at creators like Emily Pellegrin or Atiana AI influencers making $20,000 a month by leveraging AI tech. Today, I will share the method of creating a hyper-realistic virtual influencer with AI and making money with a platform called Fanvue AI. Let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about how we can create a realistic influencer model. I have already made some videos on how you can create an AI influencer. You can check out the playlist. I will put it on the end screen. However, as Flux 1 Pro shocked the world in the case of realism, I will use Flux 1 to create our model. To access Flux 1 online, I will use an AI image generator called Tensor Art. Tensor Art is one of the best AI image generator platforms, which has a bunch of image generation models along with Flux 1. I will put the link in the description, just over there, and then create an account on Tensor Art. Once you are logged in, you can access a bunch of image generation models, various other AI tools, and even Comfy Flow. You can host your model here and even train your LoRa. Okay, in the AI tool section, you will find various Flux AI models. You can use any one of them. You can even search for Flux on this search bar and then choose your preferred model. This time, I will select this one. Once you select the tool, your interface will be like this. On the right side, you will find the prompt box. First of all, we have to create a face image for our model. So I am entering a prompt to generate the face. I am typing, a 25-year-old beautiful Spanish lady with pink wavy hair, blue eyes, smile. Honestly, this is a very simple prompt. Don't worry, you can enhance the prompt with this enhance option. Just click on it, and you will get a detailed prompt to generate a perfect model image. Once the prompt is ready, scroll down and customize the settings. First of all, the number of images. At this moment, you can create a maximum of 8 images at a time. More images will cost more credits. By the way, you will get 100 free credits every day from Tensor Art. And to generate 4 images with this model, it will cost only 6.4 credits. And it's good enough to get started. Alright, the next setting is aspect ratio. Set your desired aspect ratio. For this time, I will go with 1:1. After that, the LoRa settings. By default, you will find the Flux vertical bar realism man. We have to change this LoRa. Simply click here, and you will find a vast number of LoRa models. I think this Flux vertical bar realism woman will be perfect for us. Here you will find some advanced options. First of all, the sampler methods. Lots of them here to choose from. I can't go into details about all of them, but I could pretty much guarantee you they're pretty much all here. Same with sampling steps. We have a default 20, but if we want more, we can go ahead and add in more. Next, the seed. If you want to use a fixed seed to generate consistent images, you can enter the seeds here. This time, I will go with random seeds. In the end, you will find the strength model. You can call it as CFG scale. Once everything is set, hit the go button from here. Now we have to wait some time. Let's skip this part. And here it is, the images are ready. Honestly speaking, these are perfect portraits to start creating our model. Now review all of them, and then select the best one. For example, I think this one will be best for me. So, I am downloading this image. Alright, our first image is ready. Now we have to create more images with the same face. To do that, we need various prompts. For example, there are some prompts I already collected. Now I will generate an image with these prompts. If you want to access this prompt, join our Telegram channel and Discord server. You will find more prompts like this. Here is one thing you have to notice. Some words are common in every prompt. That's the basic description of the model image I used earlier. You have to keep it in every prompt to generate consistent character images. And it's very important. Okay, let's generate images with one of the prompts from this list. After entering the prompt, hit the go button. After waiting some time, I got this result. I think Flux AI generates great images. Now you can notice there are some minor changes in the faces of the images. To solve this issue, you can swap the faces of these images with the very first image with any face swapper tool. You can watch this video to learn more about the face swap feature, but there is another tool that can solve this issue. Just come back to the AI Tools tab. Here you will find an option called Face Swap Flux. Select this tool. Now here on the right side, you will find the option to upload the reference face image. Simply click here and then upload the model face you downloaded earlier. After uploading the face image, enter the prompt in this box. I am entering the same prompt I used earlier. Next, set all the other settings like the previous time. Once everything is set, hit the Go button. And here it is, our images are ready. Now you can notice the images have exactly the same face as our reference model face. Now, in the same way, I am generating images with other prompts. These are the images with the second prompt. These are the images with the third prompt. In this way, you can create unlimited consistent character images with Flux AI on Tensor Art for your AI influencer model without spending a single buck. If you want to learn more about influencer generation, you can grab this full course on generating AI influencers and making money. And the good news is, it's 100% free. Just sign in and get free access. You can also watch videos on this channel. I will put the link in the description. Now let's talk about how you can turn your AI influencer into a money-making machine. You may find various videos to make money with AI influencers on YouTube. They are talking about various methods, and all of them are time-consuming methods. However, today, I will share a platform where you can start your money-making journey from the very first day. I am talking about Fanvue. It's an AI-powered subscription-based social platform, the best alternative to OnlyFans. Here you can monetize your AI-generated or realistic content and earn money from subscriptions. It allows you to connect with your fans with messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with Fanvue, click on Sign Up from here. Now you can create an account with your email or can connect with X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Become a Creator from here. Next, click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social account with Fanvue. And that's it, you are now a Fanvue creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. In this way, you can create your own AI influencer and serious money with Fanvue. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating virtual influencers with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.